Hey guys, so I have a DIY for you guys today. I'm going to be redoing this tabletop right here, and then I already have these legs that I'm repurposing for this whole project right here. The tabletop I already had as well. This is going to be just another desk, and I hope that it turns out okay. As you guys can see, I already attempted to like spray paint it, but that didn't work. So we're going to try to hand paint it, but I do plan on covering it with some other stuff anyway. I just want like a nice clean white finish. So fingers crossed, and let's hope that this turns out good. So first I'm going to attempt to paint it by hand. So I'm just going to splatter on some white paint, and you can actually do this yourself if you don't already have like a tabletop or something that you want to upcycle. You can go to Lowe's or you can go to Home Depot, and you can buy some plywood in to your likings, and you can do this project that way. And you can also get legs and stuff from Home Depot. So those of you who don't have an IKEA near you and you kind of want to DIY your own table, you can pretty much get the same supplies from Home Depot. It will probably be a little bit more money at Home Depot or Lowe's than at IKEA, but it shouldn't be too much more. Maybe anywhere $10 to $20 more, just depending on what you decide to get. But if you get something similar in size of this tabletop, and you get whatever legs they have, it'll probably looking at about $10 more than what you probably can get from IKEA. But again, if you don't have an IKEA near you, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay, so everything has pretty much dried down, and I'm really liking the way that it looks. I don't think I really need to go in with another coat, because again, I'm going to cover this with something else. I might go in with just a tad bit more, and then that's it. And this was pretty much like in one go. And I used the 50-cent acrylic paint from Apple Barrel that you can get from Walmart. So like super affordable. If you already have a tabletop at home that you can use, or that you want to repurpose into a desk, you can do that. You can get some legs from Lowe's, Home Depot. Okay guys, so I thought I was recording. So what I'm doing now is I'm going in with just a wet makeup sponge and some different colors, some different pastel colors, and I'm just going to pat it on and blend them in to get the pattern that I want. And then I'm just going to continue to do that. It's going to take a while. You can use a bigger sponge than this, but I want a little bit more precision, and I want them to blend in a certain way, almost kind of creating like a watercolor effect almost. So it's very important that it is a damp sponge. You could do this with one of those the spongy paint brush that I was using earlier when I covered the whole table. You could do that with that as well, or like I said, you could do it with the little makeup blenders. You can get this from the dollar store as well. Okay, so I wanted to come back and kind of show you guys what I have so far. This is kind of the look that I'm going for. If y'all hear any loud noises or anything, I have the window open. So yeah, I just going in and just patting it, dipping into various colors. You want to keep some water near you so that you can keep the sponge pretty wet as you are going along. And you're just gonna pat, blend until you get the design or the desired look that you are going for. This is basically what it looks like once I got finished covering the whole desk. So now I'm ready for the final step, which is I'm going to do a resin flood finish, which basically means I'm going to let the resin flow over, and I'm going to make sure that I blend some resin on the sides and stuff as well. So that's why I have trash bags down. Even if you're not doing a flood finish, you still want to put something over your floor or your work area to kind of catch anything that might overflow. If you don't want it to overflow and you don't want to put anything on the sides, you can put some masking tape that will help kind of contain everything. So I have a mixing bowl, and I got this from Dollar Tree. And I have my resin, and then I have some glitters that I'm going to add. I'm going to keep it clear, but I'm gonna add some glitter for pizzazz, because glitter makes everything better. Okay, a huge mess later, and I got the resin on the table, and this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna let it dry overnight and everything, and I'm gonna come back in the morning and we're gonna see how everything turned out.